Welcome to Lifetime Lifestyle LLC, where we believe in nurturing the health and happiness of our children, our world's future. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of children's health. But let's take a moment to understand why it's crucial to prioritize their well-being. Healthy children are not only happier and more confident, but they perform better academically. By instilling healthy habits early, we set our children up for a lifetime. We can't ignore the alarming rise in childhood obesity and other health issues. Now, more than ever, we need to prioritize children's health and well-being. At Lifetime Lifestyle LLC, we are committed to providing resources, guidance, and support to help parents and caregivers create healthy environments for their children to thrive. So, take the first step towards a healthier future. Click the subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. Welcome aboard. Visit lifetimelifestylellc.org today.